I got a package from CMP. I purchased this rifle using my income tax refund. Surprisingly, this year was early, and my birthday present. It is a service grade. It's Springfield Armory, muzzle reading at 2+, throat reading at 2+, and it has Springfield Armory barrel that was produced during the Korean War. Right there, February 51. And when I read 2+, meaning it's not quite 2, but it's more than 1. It's a service grade with boys walnut stock cartouches on the here on the side, and then if it's not walnut stock, then the cartouche will have right here. That's what I read in the internet. I saw some interesting marking on the Betsy. Right here it says a PB and peanut butter, but Pietro Berretta. Back in the 60s, Uncle Sugar, this is the 5/16 inch screwdriver. Yeah, Uncle Sugar gave Winchester machinery to the our NATO ally, Italy, so they could make the M1 Garand. So let's see what else has she got. Okay, need a screwdriver and pull that way, then you should come out. There you go. Hammer is Winchester WRA. The group is SA. PB, Pietro Berretta. Got cylinder. Handguard, and boys walnut stock, and we have to take this. Again, the rifle came with a very light coat of grease, which is good. Leverage. It goes in like this, so this is down. I have to match the notch right here to pull it out, just like that. Again, the op rod is SA with a cut right there. If it doesn't, then this will crack. Op rod will crack. And the bolt, which is SA at the bottom. So look like the only part Italian is the nut gets it on the nut right there. And the receiver, of course, is Springfield. So before I put it together, I am going to give her a lube job. And oh, before I do that, let me point out, if you have a fail to eject and fail to feed, then do not check do not replace or cut the spring, recoil spring. No, don't do it. Yeah, I know there's a whole bunch of experts out there in the internet. Okay, make sure you measure the op rod tip. This is the only part that is chrome plated, and the cylinder is stainless steel, because Garand knew that there will be corrosive ammunition will be used. So this one has to be, I believe, the 0.525 inch. 0.525 inch. And the gas tube has been no larger, either here, back here, no larger than 0.530 inch. So tolerance is 5,000th of an inch. If you have more than that between the cylinder, gas cylinder, and the op rod tip, which you could call it a piston, then you will have fail to eject and fail to feed, or it becomes a single shot. That's the thing I like to mention. All right, let's put this together. Yes, we have to give her a lube job. Okay, this is what I use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wear marks right there, where you have a lot of wear. That's where I'll not too much. Again, this rifle came with a light coat of grease. I don't live in desert environment. Okay, this ain't no Catherine Pass. So yeah, lube it. Indication of a slam fire. That's where the bolt came back and hit it. It's very, very sharp. So be careful. Okay, and the rails. This is where I put. And inside here where the bolt head goes. And here. This is where the bolt head goes. Okay, another thing. This op rod, this part has to be square. Right there, that has that little tip right there, got to be square. If it's not, you have to rebuild it or get a new op rod right there. That goes into the little slot. Okay, so the bolt goes in first. The bolt has to go right into that, the firing pin has to go through there. This part right here. Oh, there's it. And the bolt head goes in right here. And then I put this little notch right here, this one, on right there. So there. That's in. Again, that little hook has to go under that one. Now to have a leverage, I'll hold that. It's very important that make sure you got safety glasses on. So when it goes boing, then you'll be like, ow. Okay, another thing, when you're putting this back, put this back here, make sure this is not too tight. If it is, then you will it'll crack. What happened is gas escape through right here underneath. So if it's too tight, then wood cannot, it will expand and it'll crack. gas plug is spring loaded. So if it's stuck, you must repair or replace the gas plug. The gas port is off limits area. If you must, use the toothbrush only. Period. There she is. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the range. Aloha.